And now, First Warn 5 weather with forecaster Stephen Sarabia.
Good morning. It is 8/11. It's also Memorial Weekend. So here's what you can expect this weekend. A whole lot of heat. We have a heat advisory that's going to be in place from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is for Starr County and Hidalgo County. The heat index going to feel well above the triple digits. So just make sure you stay hydrated if you're doing anything outdoors. Temperature wise right now, a very warm start for this time this Saturday morning. 82 for Harlingen and Brownsville and Port Isabel, 81 for Raymondville, and 84 for McAllen. Here's a look at the future track for those temperatures. Most of the valley will be in the 90s by noon. This is again noon. 93 for Weslaco, 94 for McAllen, 96 for Rio Grande City. Heat index is going to make it feel even hotter out there. And here's a look at this evening. 6 p.m. Rio Grande City at 99, 96 for McAllen, 93 for Harlingen, and 89 for Brownsville. Let's go ahead and take a look at tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. If you're starting out your day, you're going to be in the upper 70s, 78 for Weslaco, 79 for Edinburgh. And then for tomorrow afternoon, 1 p.m., back into the 90s. So a very hot weekend is in store for the valley. If you got any plans, we're not tracking any rain. We are tracking a front on Monday that's going to bring some rain. So 60% chance of rain on Memorial Day itself. But if you're doing anything today and tomorrow, just keep in mind that heat is going to be a big factor. But not only the heat, the wind speeds are also going to be breezy, and we can see that right now this morning. 13-mile-an-hour winds for McAllen, 15 for Port Isabel. And future track shows that's going to be the case throughout the entire day. We're seeing a lot of green, which is wind speeds around 20 miles an hour pretty much in spots across the entire valley. This is 4 p.m. Still a lot of green if you plan on making your way towards Port Mansfield or at the island. And it does kind of calm down once the sun sets, but still seeing a lot of blue and green even around 10 p.m. So here's a look at the coastal forecast. They're going to have winds coming from the southeast at 20 to 25 miles an hour. That's very breezy. Small craft should use caution out there. And there's a moderate rip current risk. And here's a quick look at the 7-day forecast showing that front that we're tracking on Monday drops temperatures into the mid 80s. Then we're back into the upper 80s on Tuesday. There's pretty much a good chance to see some rain from Monday all the way to Thursday. It does clear out on Friday to partly sunny skies, and we're back into the 90s by the end of the week. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.